Trying to download Google Sheets on your Mac, but can't find an official app? That's because Google Sheets works a little differently. And in this video, I'll show you the easiest way to install Google Sheets on your Mac and open it like a real app. By the end of this tutorial, you'll be able to launch Google Sheets directly from your dock or Launchpad without needing to open your browser every time. First, move down to the dock at the bottom of your screen and click the App Store icon. Once it opens, we'll check what's available. Now move to the top left corner and click inside the search bar. Type Google Sheets. Then press Enter. Now you'll start seeing a few results. Apps with names like Sheets for Google Sheets may appear. But here's something important. These are not official apps from Google. These apps are created by other developers. They can still open Google Sheets, but they are separate tools. So, if you want the cleanest setup using Google directly, there's a better option. Now move back down to the dock and open Safari or Google Chrome. For this tutorial, I'm using Chrome because it makes installation faster. Now move up to the address bar at the top and type sheets.google.com. Then press Enter. Google Sheets will open instantly. And now you're ready for the next step. Right now it still opens as a normal website, but we can turn it into a Mac app in seconds. Move to the top right corner of Chrome and click the three-dot menu. From the menu, move down to Cast, Save, and Share. Then click Install Page as App. A small pop-up window will appear. You'll see Google Sheets ready to install. Now simply click Install. And that's it. Google Sheets is now added to your Mac. Now look down at the dock at the bottom, and you should see Google Sheets there. It works just like a regular Mac app. One click and it opens instantly. Now, let's check one more place. Move down to the dock again and click Launchpad. And here you'll also see Google Sheets added with your other apps. So, even though Google doesn't offer a dedicated Mac app for Google Sheets, you can still install it as a web app. And the best part is, it opens faster, it feels cleaner, and it keeps your spreadsheets only one click away. If this tutorial helped you, leave a like and subscribe for more simple Mac tutorials. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.